Most of us use convenient disinfectant wipes to kill germs or virus on surface, but it is important to know these products do not kill virus or germs instantly. Yeah, I did that too. Hi, Andy here. In this video, we're going to run through 5 cleaning and disinfection myths that most of us got confused or unclear. So if you think cleaning and disinfecting are important now, make sure you stay until the end. Myth number 1. Cleaning and disinfecting are the same thing. Cleaning refers to removing dirt and dust from the surface, which also removes some of the germs there. Cleaning is important because it reduces the number of germs in that environment. Disinfecting, on the other hand, kills viruses and germs on the surface by misting or spraying them with disinfecting chemicals. And now, more than ever, cleaning and disinfecting play an important role in keeping your facilities sanitized. Myth number 2. Disinfectant product works instantly. Most of us use convenient disinfectant wipes to kill germs or virus on surface, but it is important to know these products do not kill virus or germs instantly. Yeah, I did that too. So by swiping the surface will not kill the virus or germs there. Read the product label carefully to find the instruction title to disinfect. This instruction will let you know how many minutes to leave this product on the surface to kill viruses or germs. You may need to isolate the surface and leave it wet for 1 to 4 minutes or longer to actually kill virus or germs. Myth number 3. Disinfecting alone is more powerful than cleaning. Cleaning and disinfecting actually go hand in hand. Before you disinfect, you should always clean by removing the dirt, dust and grime on the surface. The dirt on the surface can prevent disinfectant products to kill the virus or germs effectively. So do not waste your disinfecting effort by failing to clean before you're applying disinfectant. Myth number 4. Detergent and water are useless against COVID-19 virus. Basic detergent and water can, in fact, kill bacteria and coronavirus. Cleaning with detergent and water can also remove germs and cause them slide off from the surface when rinsing. You can use regular dish detergent and hot water to clean the surface. Be sure you rinse it off with water before you apply disinfectant to kill even more virus or germs. Remember, plain water is the carrier, meaning it carries dirt, dust, oil, germs away when rinsing. Myth number 5. Only disinfect high-touch surfaces. On a daily basis, you should disinfect high-touch surfaces like door handle, light switches, railings, cabinet handles, etc. However, you should also regularly disinfect all the common area in your facility, which include pantry, work desk, bathroom, and chair handle, and a lot more. By reducing the germs and virus throughout your facility, make the place safer for everyone. Alright, those are the 5 most common cleaning and disinfectant myths. And if you're looking for an effective and proven method to disinfect without having wiping and rinsing every inch of the surface you want to disinfect, click on the link to find out more. That is all. Hope you get some insight out of this. Stay clean and stay safe. Take care.